Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Kuicklist. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how it works, some pros and some cons. And as you can see here on the screen, this is one of the things that Kuicklist does for you. It builds a high converting interactive checklist that acts as a lead magnet. As you can see here, it has the ability to actually walk through each step by step, each action, as well as add some notes. And you can customize this, as well as it has this cool little function right here to hit reset. So the people that you give this lead magnet to in exchange for their email address, they can reset it, come back to this, and use it again and again and again. So let's take a quick look at the sales page for Kuicklist. And that's right here, discovering the cutting edge software that turns hordes of visitors into raving fans while making it easy for you to profit. You won't believe how easy it is. That, I will say, is a good headline, and you will not believe how easy it is, and I'm going to show you what it does, because yes, you can generate leads and build a list for any niche, because any niche is going to love this type of interactive lead magnet. Now again, this software is not perfect, and you will need traffic to use the software, but once you start generating high quality traffic and you bring it into what I'll just go ahead and call a next generation interactive lead magnet like this, in my opinion, you're going to be way ahead in this game of list building. All right, so this is the sales page right here. I want to go ahead and walk you through the product, but I do want to say that I'm going to offer you some bonuses, and the second page after you pick up the front end is going to look like this, and it's going to say, how would you like to get unlimited everything with your Kuicklist purchase today? The thing is they have had added an upsell or an OTO to this offer that will make this product better. And unfortunately, instead of just giving this to you on the front end for one price, they've taken the typical approach inside of the current funnel marketing, and they've made this an upsell. But it is an upsell, in my opinion, that you do need to get the most out of this product to make it effective. And I'm going to walk you through those steps and show you what I mean. And I also want to make sure that you're clear and you understand that you need to buy the front end as well as the one-time offer or the upsell to get the bonuses that I'm going to offer you, and I'm going to show you those bonuses as well. But right now we're going to take a look at the actual product. So again, here is a checklist that I built right here, and as you can see, you can scroll down, you can see the checklist is built, and this is an actual template that comes with the front end, and you can see that each one of these is checkable, and you can check each one off as you accomplish the task, as well as reference the notes. You can also add links in here to other resources or even to affiliate offers. You could also put a video in here, and I'm going to show you all that starting right now inside the interface. So when you're inside the interface, they have this concept of folders where you build out all your checklists in different folders for different niches. Integrations, I'll go ahead and click on integrations and show you that. All the different integrations that come with it, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, all the big names right here, to include webinar services, as well as integrating with Facebook Pixels, Google Tag Manager, and Seagate, which is a chat bot. So you can see you can do some integrations right there. They also have a WordPress plugin that you can download, and you can install this on your WordPress website and integrate your checklist with your WordPress content. There are also some bonuses right here. Again, I'm going to be offering custom bonuses. These are the exclusive bonuses that you'll get right here. A training webinar, the segment made again, a chatbot, as well as a list building masterclass, some other list collection and QuickBridge and QuickDoc apps that come from the same vendor. So you can see exactly what those do. You'll get those as bonuses. The help and support right here, when you click on that, it's going to take you to an actual help and support page. And they do have training right here under Getting Started. Simply click on Getting Started and, for example, how to remove branding, which again, if you want to remove the branding, that is part of the upsell. And again, that's why I said you need to buy the upsell or the OTO, not just to get my bonuses, but also to remove the branding. It's very key, as well as another feature, which is making your checklist public or being able to just give them away or provide them as content. But you can see here in the Help and Support Center, you can remove all the branding right here. They walk you through step by step exactly how to do that. So then, of course, you have your account information. You can also log out. So you go back to your folders, and of course, your folders are grouped right here. Go back into the folders where I'm showing you here, and you simply create these checklists by hitting this plus button to create a new checklist, or by clicking this to create a pre-made checklist. If you click on the pre-made checklist, you're going to see these with all the little premium button or the little crown. But if you do scroll down, it does come with these right here on the front end, about 10 of them, I believe. And you can see right here the different types of checklists, such as step-by-step guide for Snapchat ads, as well as free or from planning to editing any type of blog post. So you can simply copy that to your account right here. Once you do that, you'll see it'll pop in right here. Then you just click on the editor and you go in here and you start editing. Now you can edit the checklist simply by going up here and hitting the cog wheel, and then you have the ability to change the title. Make the checklist public. This feature again is part of the OTO or the upsell. Highly recommend this because this allows you to use this as content without the opt-in form in front of it. And I'm going to show you the opt-in form here in a second, because this product also provides you self-hosted opt-in forms as well as an actual squeeze page. But make checklist public is one of the upsells, and it is the upsell that you need in my opinion, as well as removing the branding. The opt-in form right here, you can edit the opt-in form. There's a completion pop-up as well. Now what this does, it allows you to create a pop-up once someone has gone through your checklist and they actually complete it. Then you can provide them a pop-up, say congratulations, as you can see right here. You can put pop-up text, and you can also integrate it with webhooks. Again, that's part of the one-time offer or the upsell. So if you want to integrate with Zapier or something like that, and you can see you can create a pop-up button, and as well as you can change all the fonts and the colors for the headings, the subheadings, all that, as well as your integrations right here with your webhooks and your email list integrations. And you can also change your footer links for your privacy policy terms and conditions, any other links that you need in the footer. So that's all you do there to walk through those settings. It's very straightforward, very easy. And of course you have sections right here. And to edit sections, you just click on the pencil and you change the title right there. If you want to add a new section or a new option inside of a section, you would just add one right here, new option, right? And then you would put new section right there. And then you simply click save, and then you're going to see that pop up right here. And you're going to see my new option right there. If you want to reorder those, you simply would just drag that new option to the top. You'll see that that'll save instantly. When we close that, we'll go back. Now you can see that new option is at the top. So it's drag and drop, very simple. To edit right there, or even if you want to delete them, you would just hit delete. Deleting is permanent, and you just say yes, delete that section, and that section is gone forever. So they do provide these templates, or you create from scratch. Also, again, they host the opt-in form right here. It's the same kind of thing. You click on settings, you go right into the opt-in form, and you edit those settings, and you just save that, and you go back. And the landing page as well, it comes with templates. You can add a logo, remove your logo, as well as the settings here. And it's simply just edit it right here. You just put in a new headline as you see fit. Right there, you can change this, edit it, change your button copy, all that good stuff, as well as select from more templates that you see right there. The templates are a little limited, but again, the issue here is this is a done-for-you service. It's simple, it's straightforward, and they're trying to keep it as simple as possible for you to give these away, but it's all fully editable, so you can mix and match with different colors, different headlines, create your own cover, and upload it right here. And you can also see here that you can see what it looks like on desktop. You can see what it looks like on a tablet. You can see what it looks like on a phone. So you'd simply save that and then go back to your checklist. And you can see your checklist right there. That's what it's going to look like on a mobile device. That's what it's going to look like on a tablet, as well as in a full screen desktop or a laptop. So that's really all there is to it right there. Adding sections as well as reordering sections. Then you just hit go back, and it'll take you back to your folders. This is where you actually can see your leads. You can also see how and where to publish your checklist. You can host this on Kuicklist. You can copy this code in to your own landing page. You can download the HTML, upload it to your own hosting, integrate with WordPress with a plugin, as well as get an embed code and embed anywhere that embeds are allowed. You simply just copy those codes and you're off to the races. You can also move this to a different folder as well as duplicate it or delete it. So again, you go to publish right here and it's hosted on Kuicklist. You simply just copy that to your clipboard, open a new tab, paste that in, and you're going to see right there, if you want to get a copy, you would just click on get your copy now, and you see something that just happened right there. The reason this went straight in without giving me an opt-in form is because this product, this app is going to cookie it and remember the fact that I already signed up on this page. So if I was to do this and control copy that again, what I'll do is I'll open up a new tab, a new incognito tab right here. and then I'll go ahead and paste that in again. Of course, I'm doing that off screen. But now you can see that because I'm in a new tab, or if I'm using a new computer, it's not cookie to me. Here is where I would add my new information right here, and I would get a copy right there by submitting, and you can see there now that I have access to checklist, and of course that checklist belongs to me inside of this browser, inside of this tab, and you can see the progress bar moving as I check off each element right there, and then I just hit reset to reset it. So then we go back into Kuicklist and we go into the folders, and now you can refresh this and you'll see that an extra lead has been added to the total right there. Click on leads and you're going to see there the leads and the emails as well as the IP. And consent does say no, but that's because I didn't actually turn on the GDPR consent. And again, that is an option right here under the editor, under the opt-in form, under settings, right here, opt-in form. Enable legal checkbox right there, and then you can put your checkbox message as well as link to your terms and service and privacy policy. So they thought it through very well. It's all there. The issue here is you do need to create the content, and that's what I want to talk about, the bonuses. Of course, link in the description, take you over to the bonus page to fully show you the bonuses as well as talk about more in depth of what this product can do. But I will show you real quick what my bonuses are. So my bonuses here, and again, to get the bonuses, you got to buy the front end and the OTO to get these bonuses. Link in the description takes you over to my bonus page. You're going to see here, I'm going to provide some done-for-you content so you can build your own lead magnets with this tool. I'm also going to provide you a complete walkthrough, step-by-step on how to use that content, as well as how to change the colors and get more really in detail, a tutorial versus this review. A strategy call about getting traffic using this tool. 30 minutes, we're going to jump on a call, we're going to talk about how to use this tool, where the traffic should come from, how you'll get the traffic here, and the best way to format your checklist to get the most out of it, as well as a free access ticket to the Digital Nomad Group drop-in session. If you don't know what that is a mastermind that I'm in, and that's a paid group that I pay for, as well as the other members, and we go on there and we actually have what we call drop-in sessions, and we have live training, and we do real life case studies. And if you want to know more about how that works, click on the link in the description, pop over the bonus page. There'll be a link here, and you can see the details on the previous session of that, and you can see the true value of that and decide for yourself if it's worth it. I'm telling you, it is worth the price of admission if you were to pay for it, and getting this as a bonus. That's why I'm only making 3 of them available. I only got 3 tickets, so make sure you follow the directions. After you purchase Kuicklist, link in the description, drop over the bonus page, click there, the buy button will take you over to the sales page. Again, this will be the sales page that you'll see. Go ahead, scroll down through this sales page, click here to get instant access to Kuicklist. After you make that purchase, you're going to see this. How would you like to get unlimited everything with your Kuicklist purchase today? And you're going to see here 2 options. You can either pay one time $99, or you can split it between 57 or 2 payments of 57. Either way, you'll get my bonuses. Again, link in the description, and those bonuses are going to be done for you content that I'm going to provide for you, complete walkthrough tutorial, as well as a 30-minute strategy call, and I have 3 tickets to the Digital Nomad Group drop-in session from Taking Action Online with Philip Barman. You can get those, but you got to get in quick because I only have 3 of them. So go ahead, grab that link in the description, pick this up, and start building these next-gen lead magnet checklist that you see right here on the screen. This is an amazing piece of software. It does exactly what it says it does on the sales page. That's why I'm giving it a thumbs up and telling you to pick this up, and it's also why I'm putting the bonuses behind it, because I know this product, if you buy it, when you buy it, and when you take action with this product, you are going to generate high quality leads that are going to engage with you through your email list or your chatbot list. However you build your list, they're going to engage with you, and they're going to be high quality leads because you're going to provide them high quality content through this next gen interactive checklist. So go ahead, click on that link, head over to the bonus page and pick it up. And I look forward to seeing you in the Digital Nomad Group drop-in session, as well as speaking to you on our 30-minute strategy call. Again, link in the description, pop over the bonus page, and I'll see you later. Bye.